This video will show you a possible solution to the error popping up on your screen. So let's begin.
Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Click on search bar, type here settings and click here to open it. Then go to apps tab, then click on apps and features. Just scroll down, select Windows security, click on these three dots and go to advanced options. Again scroll down, click on repair and then reset. Once done, close this window. Then click on search bar, type here cmd, run as administrator. Now to avoid mistakes, you will get all the commands from the description below. Just copy and paste on command prompt and hit enter to execute it. Go for the second one and hit enter. Then close the command prompt window, go to search bar, again type cmd, run as administrator. Now type this command carefully and hit enter. This will take some time to complete this process, so wait for it. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar and type PowerShell, run as administrator, select S. Now you will get this command also from the description below. Just copy and paste it here and hit enter. Then type A and hit enter. Now go for the second command and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close this. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.